Hello, my name is Benjamin Ruiz, and in this presentation, I'll walk you through a workplace scenario where I use ABA strategies to support a culturally and linguistically diverse employee. I'll show how function-based intervention and cultural sensitivity can lead to more effective supervision. Meet the supervising. Meet Maritza. It's a staff member from Mexico. She speaks Spanish as her primary language, understands basic English, but struggles with technical terms. She's limited to caseload due to English-only clients, and data recording and communication tasks are affected by language barrier. Marita is a staff member from Mexico, and her primary language is Spanish. And although she understands conversational English, she struggles with technical terms used in goals and session documentation. Because many clients speak only English, Marita's caseload is more limited, which may impact her confidence and job satisfaction. Her language barrier also contributes to data collection errors and delayed communication. Identifying the problem behaviors. So defining the performance concerns. Inaccurate or incomplete session data, delayed or missing email responses, difficulty understanding written program goals, limited to speaking Spanish speaking clients. Likely function is escape from difficulty language based demands. Marita often records data incorrectly or skips steps in program goals which seem to result from not fully understanding the written instructions in English. She also delays responding to emails that include performance feedback. These behaviors may function as an escape from aversive or unclear tasks due to the language barrier. So, the first strategy that we are proposing is task clarification and shaping. The first intervention will be clarifying and shaping data collection. Translate key program terms into Spanish, provide bilingual visual guides and checklists, model data, recording, and role play, reinforce correct steps through shaping. I first clarified Marita's task by translating behavioral terms by using bilingual materials. Then I modeled proper data collection and reinforced as she practiced step by step. Using shaping, I gradually built her independence while reducing frustration tied to misunderstood instructions. So the second strategy is reinforcement plus prompting for communication. The second intervention is reinforcement and prompting for email responses. Want to teach how to identify priority emails, use text or calendar prompts, provide translated summaries if needed, and reinforce timely responses privately. To help with communication, I taught Marita how to recognize high priority emails and respond to them efficiently. I used prompts and short summaries to make them more accessible when she replied promptly. I reinforced that behavior with private, culturally respectful praise. Okay, so for promoting inclusivity and fairness, how these strategies support fairness. Adjust support without lowering expectations. Respect her primary language during training. Promote equity by reducing access barriers. And empower Marita to grow professionally. These supports don't lower the standard, but adjust the path Marita takes to get there. By using her native language and gradual supports, I'm giving her equitable access to succeed and preparing her to expand her caseload over time. The expected outcomes. These are the anticipated results of the intervention. We want improved data collection accuracy, more timely and clear communication, increased confidence and independence, and opportunity to work with more diverse clients. Over time, Marita should become more accurate in her data collection and more responsive with communication. As her confidence grows, she may also take on English speaking clients, helping her expand her professional opportunities. And for evidence based foundations, the evidence based foundations in ABA, Reed, Parsons, and Green emphasize individualized staff training and performance feedback as essential for lasting skill acquisition. Daniels and Bailey highlight shaping and reinforcement as core strategies for building new workplace behaviors. Application strategies used with Marita like modeling, bilingual instruction, and shaping align with ABA best practices for cultural responsive supervision. The strategies I use with Maritza are firmly rooted in ABA literature. Reed, Parsons, and Green emphasize that supervision should be individualized and skill focused, which guided the use of bilingual checklists and targeted modeling. Daniels and Bailey underscore the power of shaping and reinforcement, exactly the methods used to help Marisa progress gradually and confidently. By aligning my intervention with these evidence-based sources, I ensure both effectiveness and ethical supervision. The final reflection, the closing reflection is language shapes how behavior is expressed and maintained. Cultural context matters in performance support. ABA strategies must be inclusive and individualized. Empowerment comes from removing barriers, not lowering expectations. This experience shows how language and cultural impact the function of staff behavior. ABA is most effective when it respects the person's context and provides function-based support. In Marita's case, we promote equity by adapting the path, not the expectation. And these are my references. Thank you.